Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to provide the solutions to the do-it-yourself questions which I have asked in the previous video, which was based upon tricks to find the number of phenotypes and genotypes. So the question number 1, which is according to the first trick, is multiple allelism trick, is there are 6 genotypes of the human ABO blood group types. How many genotypes are possible if a gene exists in 5 allelic forms? So whenever they give you a question like this, you need to please note the given. What is the given? Number of allelic forms in a population of Drosophila for eye color. For eye color, number of allelic forms is nothing but number of allelic forms are given as how much? 5 they have given. So in our as per our trick, what is the formula for phenotypes and genotypes? And they have asked to find the genotypes possible. Here I will also say the phenotypes. Just please listen. So phenotypes possible will be n plus 1. What is n? N is number of alleles, so n will be 5. N will be 5. So number of phenotypes will be NP. I am writing. Number of phenotypes will be 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now, what is the question actually asked? The number of genotypes. So how many genotypes will be possible, students, according to the question? So 5 allelic forms means the formula is n plus 1 into n by 2. So number of genotypes will be n plus 1. So n means 5 into n plus 1 will be how much? 6 divided by 2. So what will be your answer? 2 3s are 5 3s are 15. See, 2 3s are 6, 3 into 5 15. So our answer will be option D. Option D is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer. Clear? So this was the first question. See, this is the second question which I have asked based upon the trick number 2, Mendel's experiment. How many different types of genetically different gametes will be produced by a heterozygous plant having the genotype capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c? Please, you have to note it very clearly. What is the given genotype? So observe the genotype very carefully, students. The genotype is 2 capital A's are there, 1 capital B, 1 small b, and 1 capital C, 1 small c. So they are asking what number of gametes they have asked. So what is the formula for gametes? Types of gametes, 2 power n. So 2 power n is nothing but the number of heterozygotes. N is nothing but number of heterozygotes as per our trick. So how to find the heterozygotes? Capital B, capital small b. So this is 1 heterozygote. You should not take it as 2. Capital B, small b is 1. It is not a heterozygote. It is a homozygote. So 1 and 2. Observe this very carefully. It is capital C and small c. Okay, so 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. That is your number of gametes. If they have asked you number of zygotes, means just you can put gamete square. Okay, but here they have asked about the genetically different gametes only. So you will be stopping with 4. What is the formula? 2 power n. Because of the heterozygotes are 2, so we are putting 2 power 2 is 4. So option C will be your correct answer. Correct answer. And next question. So this was the question. Observe this very carefully. On crossing capital A, small a, capital B, small b, into capital A, small a, capital B, small b. So this is nothing but selfing. We call it as a selfing, students. What is selfing? It is a self-pollination. Means same genotype, we are crossing with the same genotype. Means same genotype again with the same genotype. So this is nothing but selfing. Okay, we call it as selfing. And now with respect to the dihybrid cross, find the following. See, here I have not explained you the dihybrid cross very in detail at all. But it is a very important topic. Okay, dihybrid cross is a very important topic in terms of NEET or whatever your board exams are concerned. So you have to learn it in a very detail to master this chapter. So very soon I'll be posting videos regarding dihybrid cross also in our channel. So you please subscribe to our channel. Now here I'm just giving you a hint or a trick, you can say, to find the types of gametes, zygotes, phenotypes, genotypes and all. Okay. Now see here how to find very easily. You can find this types of gametes they have asked. So if they have given selfing means very easy. Only take the first genotype. Only one genotype is there. So I am just taking this and writing here by the side. Can you see it? Yes, I am writing it by the side. Now see here, capital A, capital A. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b. I have written types of gametes. So what is the number of heterozygotes, students? N value is here 2. Okay, because 2 heterozygotes are there. N value is 2 I have written. What is the gamete formula? 2 power n. So 2 power 2 will be your correct answer. So 4 gametes will be your correct answer. Next, number of, have you written correctly? Check your answers. Okay, number of zygotes will be gamete square. So gamete square is nothing but 4 square will be 16, right? 16, or you can put 2 power 2n also. This is very simple, you can follow this. And number of phenotypes will be 2 power n. See here, number of phenotypes formula trick is what? 2 power n. Number of genotypes is 3 power n. So same n value, 2 power 2 4, 3 power 2 will be 9. Okay, now here phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is asked. Here I am writing the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio directly, like I have taught you in the previous video. You should put 3:1 power n, right? So 3:1, because 3:1 is the phenotypic ratio of the monohybrid cross, we know that very clearly. And 3:1 power 2, why? Because it is a dihybrid cross, so I am putting here 2. You might have observed in the last video I have put here 3, because that was a trihybrid cross. Clear? Why it is a dihybrid cross? Because it is involving 2 zygotes, okay, A and B. Now 3:1 the whole square. If you don't know how to multiply means, see, simply I will say one technique, right, like this. 3 3s are, right, 9. 3 1s are 3 is 2. 3 1s are 3. 1 1s are 1. So this is your phenotypic ratio. Like this simply you can write. And coming to the genotypic ratio, what will be the genotypic ratio, my dear students? So the genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1 the whole square. You can multiply also and write, but I'll give you a very simple clue to remember this, how you can remember it. Genotypic ratio of a dihybrid cross, very important question. Directly they used to ask in the NEET exams. Okay, 1:2:1 2:4 2 1:2:1. How to remember this? 1:1 2:4 1:1. Just multiply this with 2, you will get this. Again 1:1 you are writing 1:1 2:4 1:1. So this is a simple way to remember the genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio. See how easily we have solved this big problem. So like this only they used to ask questions. Okay, so the next trick is, so the next question which I have given you is this question, which is based on polygenic inheritance. So what is n here? See, you have to observe very carefully what is the n value. In the previous case it was number of heterozygotes. Here it is not the same. Here it is number of pairs. You have to observe this word, number of pairs of polygenes. So you see in this sum they are asking, calculate the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes in F2 generation if a character is controlled by 2 pairs. So people will have a doubt like whether we have to take 2 pairs means 4 we have to take. No, number of pairs only have to take. 2 pairs means you have to take n is equal to 2. See, like how in the previous case we have took 3 means n is equal to 3 only you should take. So what is the trick for this? Number of phenotypes will be NPL, right? NP. Number of phenotypes will be 2 into n plus 1. So what is the n value here? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. So that will be 4 plus 1, 5. Clear? Now number of genotypes I am finding, NG. Number of genotypes will be NG, which is 3 power n. Simple, like that. Like that only it will be over. See, 3 power 2, which is equal to 9. 3 square is 9. Now they are not asking, see, 5 also will be in the option, 9 also will be in the option, and this 2 numbers 14 and 29 also will be in the options. For that only you have to read the question carefully. Calculate the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes. So what you have to do here, you have to just add up. Okay, if you just see calculate phenotypes means, no, that's wrong. Calculate the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes. Please read the question twice carefully. So phenotypes and genotypes, so therefore your answer will be 9 plus 5, 14 is your correct answer, which is the correct answer. B option is the correct answer. Thank you for watching the videos, and these are all the questions and answers to the previous questions which I have given. Thank you for watching.